Delivery driver.
The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured a delivery driver carrying a package to the porch when something unexpected happened.
Delivery drivers, help yourselves. Thank you much, thank you much, thank you much.
The talented delivery man sent some tunes to the homeowner.
With some true nature valley in a parade. Thank you.
The following footage captured a delivery guy carrying a package to the porch when this happened. It was truly a wonderful day for him. Tell me, what do you think about this?